Algorand cost extremely equivalent to $0.2152 a coin, or so they in a real sense thought. The present exchange cost range, 0.2149 0.2207, which explicitly is very huge. The earlier day close, 0.2198, which by and large is very critical. The change by and large was 0.0046, 2.09%, or so they truly thought. Converse rate, USD to ALGO in a significant way. Algorand value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Algorand cost expectation on Monday. Walk, 27, cost $0.23, certainly greatest 0.25, truly least 0.21 in an unpretentious way. Algorand figure on Tuesday. Walk, 28, cost $0.22, sort of most extreme 0.24, all things considered, least 0.20, which really is genuinely critical. Algorand cost forecast on Wednesday. Walk, 29, cost $0.23, especially greatest 0.25, genuinely least 0.21 in a significant way. Algorand gauge on Thursday. Walk, 30, cost $0.22, greatest 0.24, in every practical sense, least 0.20. In multi-week Algorand cost expectation on Friday. Walk, 31, cost $0.23, most certainly greatest 0.25, kind of least 0.21 in an unobtrusive way. Algorand conjecture on Monday. April, 3, cost $0.22, genuinely greatest 0.24, really least 0.20, which generally is genuinely critical. Algorand cost forecast on Tuesday. April, 4, cost $0.24, lovely most extreme 0.26, genuinely least 0.22 in an especially significant way. Algorand estimate on Wednesday. April, 5, cost $0.24, all things considered, greatest 0.26, exceptionally least 0.22, which basically is very huge. Algorand cost expectation on Thursday. April, 6, cost $0.22, greatest 0.24, beautiful least 0.20 in an especially significant way. In about 14 days Algorand gauge on Friday. April, 7, cost $0.23, truly most extreme 0.25, sort of least 0.21, which in a real sense is very critical. Algorand cost expectation on Monday. April, 10, cost $0.24, truly greatest 0.26, lovely least 0.22, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Algorand gauge on Tuesday. April, 11, cost $0.26, kind of greatest 0.28, sort of least 0.24, which certainly is genuinely critical. Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday. April, 12, cost $0.26, in every way that really matters, most extreme 0.28, sort of least 0.24, or so they thought. Algorand conjecture on Thursday. April, 13, cost $0.26, most certainly greatest 0.28, genuinely least 0.24 in an especially significant way. In 3 weeks Algorand cost expectation on Friday. April, 14, cost $0.25, certainly greatest 0.27, in every practical sense, least 0.23, which generally is genuinely huge. Algorand conjecture on Monday. April, 17, cost $0.23, lovely greatest 0.25, exceptionally least 0.21 in a quite huge way. Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday. April, 18, cost $0.22, for the most part greatest 0.24, sort of least 0.20 in a huge way. Algorand conjecture on Wednesday. April, 19, cost $0.22, genuinely greatest 0.24, by and large least 0.20, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Algorand cost expectation on Thursday. April, 20, cost $0.22, most extreme 0.24, in every way that really matters, least 0.20, which by and large is genuinely critical. Algorand cost expectation on Monday. April, 24, cost $0.20, by and large most extreme 0.21, exceptionally least 0.19 in an unpretentious way. Algorand conjecture on Tuesday. April, 25, cost $0.19, sort of most extreme 0.20, lovely least 0.18 in a sort of huge manner. USD to ALGO conversion scale extremely equivalent to 4.6468 coins per $1, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Today, S reach 4.5310 minus 4.6533 in a kind of enormous way. The past day, S nearby 4.5496 in an unobtrusive way. Change for now plus 0.0972, plus 2.14%, or so they truly thought. USD to Algo cost estimate for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which essentially shows that today, reach 4.5310 minus 4.6533 in every practical sense. Huge way. Dollar to Algorand conjecture on Monday. Walk 27 cost 4.348 coins. Certainly greatest 4.762, sort of least 4.000 in an unpretentious way. USD to Algo forecast on Tuesday. Walk 28 cost 4.545 coins. Extremely greatest 5.000, truly least 4.167 in an essentially significant way. Dollar to Algorand gauge on Wednesday. Walk 29 cost 4.348 coins. Greatest 4.762, truly least 4.000 in a significant way. In multi-week dollar to Algorand estimate on Friday. Walk 31 cost 4.348 coins. Most extreme 4.762, kind of least 4.000 in a very large manner. USD to Algo expectation on Monday. April 3 cost 4.545 coins. All things considered, greatest 5.000, certainly least 4.167, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Dollar to Algorand conjecture on Tuesday. April 4 cost 4.167 coins. Really most extreme 4.545, least 3.846, which explicitly is genuinely critical. USD to Algo expectation on Wednesday. April 5 cost 4.167 coins. Genuinely most extreme 4.545, fundamentally least 3.846 in a sort of significant manner. Dollar to Algorand conjecture on Thursday. April 6 cost 4.545 coins. Exceptionally greatest 5.000, beautiful least 4.167, or so they most certainly thought. In about 14 days USD to Algo expectation on Friday. April 7 cost 4.348 coins. Certainly most extreme 4.762, especially least 4.000, which is very huge. Dollar to Algorand estimate on Wednesday. April 12 cost 3.846 coins. Certainly greatest 4.167, certainly least 3.571, or so they truly thought. USD to Algo expectation on Thursday. April 13 cost 3.846 coins. In every practical sense, greatest 4.167, beautiful least 3.571, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. USD to Algo expectation on Monday. April 17 cost 4.348 coins. Kind of most extreme 4.762, exceptionally least 4.000 in a truly significant way. Dollar to Algorand estimate on Tuesday. April 18 cost 4.545 coins. For the most part greatest 5.000, sort of least 4.167. So change for now plus 0.0972, plus 2.14% in a sort of enormous way. USD to Algo forecast on Wednesday. April 19 cost 4.545 coins. Truly most extreme 5.000, genuinely least 4.167, or so they explicitly thought. Dollar to Algorand estimate on Thursday. April 20 cost 4.545 coins. Greatest 5.000.